In this video, we're going to learn how to initiate a rental agreement. You can open a rental agreement in 4 easy steps. Step 1: Opening agreement. Step 2: Agreement checkout. Step 3: Agreement check-in. Step 4: Agreement closing. Now let's see all these 4 steps one by one. Open the rental module and click Agreements. To create a new rental agreement, click on the Create New Rental Agreement button. Select the type of rental agreement: daily, weekly, or monthly. Rates will be picked up automatically depending on the type of agreement. Next, click on the Date and Time tab. The system will pick the current date and time. Now, select the return date and time. After that, select the vehicle by searching for the plate number. You can also click on the search button. Here it will show all the available vehicles in the rental fleet. In this window, you can use different filters to search the desired vehicles. You can search for any make and model, and it will show you all the available vehicles of that make and model. Once you select the vehicle, the system will show you the rates. Here you can see all the charge types and rates defined against this vehicle. You can also give a discount on the rental rates by clicking the discount button. Each user will have its maximum discount percentage defined by the system admin. To increase the discount limit, you have to enter the discount authorization code. Discount codes will be generated by the authorized person only. Press OK to apply the discount. Now select the CDW package. Now you can select any mileage package as per the customer's requirement defined below. Now, select any extras like a baby seat or any other charge defined below. As per company policy, you can take some amount as advance payment. To create an advance receipt, click on the Advance button. Here you can make multiple advance receipts with different payment methods. For instance, you can take 500 reals as cash payment and 500 as credit card payment. Now, click the OK button to save. Here you can type the name of the existing customer and it will show you in the list below. If it's a new customer, click on the search button. In this window, you can view all the individuals and corporate customers. In this search field, you can search by name, phone number, driving license, ID number, or any other information. To add a new customer, click on this Add button. Here you add all the required customer details. Click the Document tab to add the necessary document as per company policy. If it's an international customer, add the passport, visa, and driving license and click the checkbox for international customers. If the customer is a national ID or a comma holder, add the national ID number and driving license. Click the Save button. Here you have three options: self, staff, and other. Self means the customer is the driver. Staff means your company driver. Other means any other individual. You can add any additional driver as well. In the last, you can take notes and click the Save button to create the rental agreement. Open the mobile application and select the Agreement Checkout button. Here you can select the vehicle by entering the plate number or scanning the QR code. Now update the kilometers and fuel level if needed. Here you can see all the information related to the agreement. Tap on the Next button to continue. Now check the items from the item checklist. Here you can mark any damages before vehicle checkout. You can select any of these markings. You can also take pictures of the marked damage. You can have multiple pictures on the same mark. Similarly, you do the marking on the interior of the vehicle as well. Now to complete the checkout procedure, take the electronic signature of the customer and the staff's signature. Open the mobile application and select the Agreement Check-in button. Here you can select the vehicle by entering the plate number or scanning the QR code. Now update the kilometers and fuel level while check-in. Here you can see all the information related to the agreement. Select the check-in branch and parking. Tap on the Next button to continue. Now check the items from the item checklist. If an item is missing, uncheck the box. Here you can mark any new damages while the vehicle check-in. Here you see old damage in blue color and new damage in red color. You can take pictures of newly marked damage. You can have multiple pictures on the same mark. Similarly, do the marking on the interior of the vehicle as well. Now to complete the check-in procedure, take the electronic signature of the customer and the staff signature. Once the vehicle is checked in, now you can close the agreement. To close the agreement, click the Action button and select the Close Agreement option. Any excess mileage systems will calculate and show you the charges. If the vehicle check-in branch is different than the checkout branch, then systems will automatically show the drop-off charges. Here you can see the total charges already received and the remaining balance. Click the billing history to view any advance payments that you collected. Press the Save button to close the agreement. The invoice will be created automatically. To create a receipt voucher on this agreement, click the Action button and add the receipt. Down here you can see the invoice. As per the due amount on the invoice, add the amount and select the payment method. To allocate the amount to this invoice, click B in the allocation box and press Save or Save and Print.